When your phone connects to Smartisan TNT Station, you'll discover the breakthrough in productivity and user experience that is Smartisan OS 6.0's all-new revolutionary interaction design. Smartisan TNT Station's expansive touchscreen makes more efficient and intuitive two-handed controls possible, while also allowing for dragging and dropping two windows to instantly snap them together and resize them. 3 windows is no problem. And if you need to, you can even snap together 4 windows at once. 2 hands plus multi-point touch controls make for a huge boost in productivity. And by being true to the physical world, commands become easier, more intuitive, even more magical. Intuitive gesture controls fill the entire system, letting you maximize the window like this, close it like this, or minimize it like this. Switching wallpapers has never been this easy or fun. Forget about the clumsy ways of Siri and her imitators. Smartisan OS 6.0 systematically combines touch and voice controls for what we call a touch and talk solution, or TNT. TNT is able to bring users an incredible degree of productivity and a faster, smoother experience. File Manager, Weather, Browser, Clock, Gallery, Recorder, Music, Calculator, Note. Close others. Mute. The built-in Smartisan Office suite is the first true revolution in the field of Office software since Microsoft Office became the industry standard. Introducing Smartisan T1. 40. Helvetica. Red. Change to white. Bold. Italics. Underline. Clear formatting. Aside from voice input, virtual scrolling actions allow for easy changes to fonts, with the built-in Smart Predictor able to intuit your next step and offer you options to choose from, like how you might want to format a page. When opening the to-do list style tool called Idea Pills and Smartisan Slides, you can drag and drop notes to a ready-made outline and even add magical animations to automatically generate multiple slides at once. Apart from predicting formatting, Smartisan Predictor can also search for images online related to the text for you to use. For instance, if the text has famous southpaws in it, Smart Predictor can automatically download a selection of related images to choose from. With a bigger screen, you directly edit a page in landscape mode, even dragging and dropping across pages for far more efficient editing. When it comes to animations, there is an unprecedented convenience. You only need to press on 2 adjoining slides, select Set Animation, and you'll have 9 different animation effects on looped play to try out and choose from. Making slideshows has never been this simple or this fast. In Smartisan Sheets, the forward-thinking TNT solution again creates a miracle of enhanced productivity. Rank 1, 2. Name: Wilmer Austin, Jesse Brown, Julia Pitts, Mark Ellison. Score: 95, 94, 92, 90. Average. To improve the efficiency of communicating in the age of social networking, Smartisan OS 6.0 comes equipped with bullet messaging. Bullet messages are an all-new, next-generation productivity-style IM tool based on a poker dealer solution. When you need to send a text, "Jack, please send me documents for yesterday's meeting," just press the Messages button on the side and speak, and your recent and shared contacts will fill the screen. One light tap is all it needs. Always have a ton of unread messages? No problem. Thanks for the heads up. I just called him. Will arrive at around 3 p.m. Sending right now. Bullet messaging can make rapid-fire responses. In a group, tap the group's icon to lay out dialog windows with every group member. Okay, no problem. Then you can send messages to everyone, just a few. What's your personal opinion on this new project? Let me create a new group and discuss. Or if you need to, you can easily pull a few people into a new group for a separate conversation. More than 20 years after browsers and search engines conquered the world of search, what can Smartisan OS 6.0 do to offer a disruptive enhancement in search efficiency?
Pancake.
By using the poker dealer solution, Smartisan OS 6.0 can present one-off search results from different search engines and customized vertical fields, bringing users efficiency and convenience like you've never imagined. Smartisan TNT Station, the revolutionary next-generation PC. Smartisan TNT Station, changing the script for the next decade of personal computing. Smartisan TNT Station, redefining what PC means for PCs.